Do you know what IPC Section 498A in India is? Perhaps you've heard of it, perhaps not. But worry not today, you're going to be well versed in it. IPC stands for Indian Penal Code, a comprehensive document that lays out all the criminal laws in India. Section 498A is a specific part of this code that deals with the protection of married women from cruelty by their husband or his relatives. Now you might be wondering, what do we mean by cruelty? Well, in the context of this law, cruelty is not just physical harm or violence. It also includes mental torture, harassment for dowry, and any other type of coercive behavior that might lead a woman to harm herself. This law was introduced in the year 1983 as a response to the rising cases of dowry deaths and domestic violence in India. It came as a beacon of hope for women suffering silently, offering them a legal recourse to fight back against their oppressors. A critical aspect of this law is that the accused is presumed guilty until proven innocent. Now that's a significant departure from the general presumption of innocence in criminal law. This means that the burden of proof lies with the husband and his relatives, who must prove that they did not treat the woman with cruelty. What sets Section 498A apart is its non-bailable and non-compoundable nature. In simpler terms, it means that the accused cannot be released on bail right away, and the charges cannot be dropped if the parties decide to settle. This gives the law its teeth, making it a powerful tool for women to fight against domestic violence and dowry harassment. However, like any potent tool, this law also has its share of misuse. Instances of false cases filed to settle personal scores or to harass the husband's family have been reported. This has led to a heated debate about the need for safeguards to prevent the misuse of this law, while still ensuring it serves its intended purpose. Now let's summarize the key points about IPC Section 498A. It's a specific law under the Indian Penal Code that protects married women from cruelty by their husband or his relatives. Cruelty here encompasses not just physical violence but also mental torture and dowry harassment. Introduced in 1983, this law presumes the accused to be guilty until proven innocent. It's non-bailable and non-compoundable, making it a powerful, albeit controversial tool in the fight against domestic violence in India. So, there you have it, a quick rundown of IPC Section 498A. It's a complex law with a noble intention, a tool for justice that needs careful handling. Whether you're a law student, a curious mind, or someone seeking justice, understanding this law is a step closer to understanding the intricacies of legal systems and their role in social change.